video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 6 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. So number of B's are gradually decreasing line by line and number of A's are gradually increasing line by line. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6 condition false. And iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while loop with a variable j. J is equal to 0 nested while j less than 6, and at the end of every iteration increase j value by 1. Print b and separate every alphabet with single space character. So after printing single line, to begin from new line, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. Now to print a, we are going to use L variable L is equal to 5. Append the variable inside k list. Now if j is available inside list, then print a character separated with single space character, else print b. Outside the nested while loop, decrease L value by 1 and append L value inside k list. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.